Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. All right, guys. Oh, this is an interesting shot. My camera's sitting on top of my center console, on top of the dashboard. The camera's sitting right here, so I'm kind of curious if it's gonna be jiggling. At any rate, today is a day of errands, fam. And these last couple days, I do apologize. It's been a wild ride in dad life. The video that you guys seen today is actually an old upload that I made. Video I made a long time ago. It's from a long time ago, almost 9 months ago. But I didn't have, here, just being straightforward, I didn't really have anything to upload. So, that said, today, we gotta run some parts back to the auto parts store. We gotta go see my buddy Bob Stigemeyer, and we're also gonna see if he will loan us a M10 by 175 tap. Cross my fingers he's got one. If he doesn't, we're getting online and ordering one tonight. Alongside that, the gentleman who owns the 3.2 has changed his plan of attack a little bit. So we're gonna be ordering a lot more parts for it as well. I'm getting ready to get on the highway, so the danger level of vlogging and driving is gonna get really real. We're not gonna do it, no. I'll check back in here in a bit. All right, well, stop number 1, complete. We've been to Advanced Auto Parts. Now we gotta head to Bob's. It's 4:14. He closes at 5. It's a 20-minute drive, so. Cross fingers we make it there in plenty of time. Hopefully we won't hit any crazy traffic. One way to find out though. All right, well, this was a super productive trip. Bob's one of those though, he doesn't like a camera on in his building, which I respect. It's his business and he doesn't like cameras on in there. So, but we got our pinion separated, and Bob just happened to have our M12 by 175 tap that we needed to go ahead and retap our bolts. Well, the one bolt that somebody royally screwed up. Oh, and I'm sitting in the way. I was sitting in the middle of his driveway doing the rest of doing our little bit, you know, we're doing our thing. I was in the UPS's truck's way. So, oh, that sun. All right, guys, well, we're gonna head over to Jordan's real quick. He's got some things he wants to talk to me about on his car. So, back to the road we go. Oh, there's my girl. All right, now that Jordan and I are done talking shit to each other. So, how you been?
Never better.
So, Pete World, you know, you should always check your oil before you beat the hell out of your girl.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. Looks like it's time for an oil change.
Yeah, it's probably, you know, like 600 miles at the absolute most.
Yeah. All at a quarter mile at a time, too. How many of those were cruising miles?
A few.
A few?
Yeah.
I bet you like 99% of them were getting her ass beat.
I didn't build it, the fucking baby.
All right, well, fire this thing up, man. We're gonna go for a drive. Nice smoke cloud.
Hey, so I drove this like the first time it was like single digits.
Yeah.
You remember like a couple weeks ago?
Yeah.
So I don't know if you remember my like my methanol controller right there. You know how it's got the status light?
Mm-hmm.
It was always flashing for the low fluid, regardless of how much fluid was in it.
Right.
It works.
Oh, cool. So just
have
you checked
on
it?
a very, very cold day. I had to actually put some in it a couple weeks ago, or a week ago, and then I wouldn't beat the piss out of it. But yeah, it ain't gonna freeze.
That's what I was wondering.
It's methane.
Nice. It didn't freeze. I mean, it shouldn't. I mean, if I did my job right and taught y'all how to make meth properly, it shouldn't freeze. All right, well, we're gonna let this baby warm up. We're gonna go take it out, and we're gonna see what it'll do on the Dragy. Oh, thank you.
It's a 12-second car. I know it's a 12-second car.
All right, so this fool just told me there's a hidden menu inside of the B5 S4's like climate control.
Correct.
There's no way. All right, so it's gonna make a liar out
Oh,
of you.
I'm hitting the wrong one. That's why. You gotta be. I literally. That's here. Let me get my foot off the clutch, maybe. There it is. All right, cool.
So it's in Celsius now?
Okay, so this is like a diagnostics menu, so I don't know what any of these mean.
Oh.
Except for the fact that this one is a digital speedometer in kilometers per hour.
Shut up!
I swear to God. All right, so.
So what is this again then?
So 17 I know is a digital speedometer. One of them is supposed to be attack, like by the first 3 digits, but I don't know which one that is. But anyway, so like you hit, I believe it is this button to select it. Yes, okay, so it's 0. And we'll just flip it across the street for a second.
Oh, that's cool. It's very, like, why is it all the way down there?
It's a 2001 digital speedometer. What do you want from it?
I want to see it say 170.
I mean, the dash goes to 260, so.
Kilometers.
Yeah, that's in kilometers.
Oh, that's in kilometers. Oh, I want to see it say 200 kilometers then.
That would be like,
we can
130.
do that. 130.
I turned wrenches on this thing, dude.
I know. So, Mr.
Is 124.6.
Okay. The guy with the computer's got some input.
Hey, Steve.
No, stop. That's my brain, bro. I'm standing in front of a bong piece, man.
No shit. Man, he's just that smart. Steve, I'm sorry I ever discredited you, man. You just came in with the decimal, and I was like, that was way too specific.
Don't put the credits out there, man. I don't need everybody to know, just my homies.
Okay. Well, we love you, Steve. Like I said, I apologize.
All right, well, let's go inside real quick.
Correct. But yeah, the more you know.
Yeah, that's a more you know moment. All right, well.
Actually, here, let me be. Abiding.
Law-abiding citizen. Look at you.
A abiding Addison.
You should always wear your seatbelt, kids. Always wear your seatbelts. It's a safe thing to do. And wear lighted earmuffs so people can see you walking on the road. So, if you know what this is, you know what we're getting ready to do. If you don't, stay tuned. Current quarter mile time is 13:07 at, what did I say, 104. 104. I don't know. The one behind us? All right, whatever.
Yes! Yes!
At 105.57.
Yes! Yes!
Yo!
Yes. Take a screenshot. All that. Send it to me however you can.
We did it.
Hey, good shit, buddy.
Yo, so we...
Hey, that's a 12.7 with you out of the car.
Yeah, that's still... I mean, that's fast.
Alright, that's quick for a KO3 car. We're doing good. Yeah,
tell me my shit's slow again.
I never told you your shit's slow.
So when are you gonna buy nitrous?
When I have...
I want an 11-second car. KO3 car.
I have money. I want you to get out of the car now.
You want me to get out of the car?
We're not doing this anymore. It's been beat enough. It's cold. I don't really like this. I can't see.
Yeah, you're fine. Just follow the white line in the road.
Yeah, right. We're good.
All right. Well, today has been an interesting day, hasn't it? Told you we were running some errands. Went and had some fun with Jordan. Went and seen Bob. We got this thing. We got the pinion gear broken down the rest of the way, so we can get these bits off to get coated. Now that we got all of this apart, now we can officially send this off to go get it serviced. That's not gonna happen until for a few more weeks. We gotta wait till mid-February, and then we're gonna take a trip to Pennsylvania. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm a little worried about the snow though. I am a little worried about the snow, but it's no here nor there. We'll figure that out as the time comes. But now, while I was at Bob's, I got a M12 by 175 tap. So we can fix that hole right there. And the customer and I were talking about this, that timing guide that I noticed that there was a little quirky thing with. We are gonna go down the rabbit hole of potentially replacing all the timing guides on this instead. Customer and I were talking about it, and he's like, you know what, that looks like it's gonna wear a bit fast. Why don't we address it? Address it we will. But first, I wanna see if I can get this hole to take back a tap. So, let me get some tools. Should work. So if I can't get this thing to retap its threads cleanly, then we are stuck with ordering a time cert for this guy. It seems to be going in. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I want to see. Come on. Nice. Nice. All right, let's see if it fits. Man, I love it when a plan comes together. I love it when a plan comes together. Love it when a plan, oh yeah. Yeah. I'm not saying that this hole is 180% perfect, but to match the other 10 that go in there, the fact that I can put a stud in it cleanly, and I took a crap one that was mangled up out of there, I'm gonna say this is pretty darn good. I'm definitely gonna make sure to use a little bit of orange Loctite on this hole for sure. Just because. Probably back off whatever the spec is just a little bit on that. You know, if it says, I don't even know what the transmission spec is off the top of my head, but I'm willing to bet because these are torque to yield and they're designed to be a one-time use thing, it's probably something like 80 plus a quarter turn or maybe like 60 plus a quarter turn and something like that. And if it is, I'll probably do like 60 plus an eighth of a turn. Just because, like, if you look down in there, the threads all look really, really good, but anytime you run a thread tap down something and like basically chase threads like I just did, you always run the risk of them not, that the tap doesn't mesh perfectly up with the original threads, which does beg the argument, does one just go in and put a, time cert this or helicoil it? And yeah, that's 100% doable. But this went in really, really easily, and it doesn't seem like it was binding up. Neither did the tap when I was running it down. It seemed very clean all the way through. It had a little rough start, but at the top where it was already mangled, it seemed to be, after I got past that, it just went right down really easy. I don't think it's gonna require it or a time cert or a helicoil. Only time is gonna tell us, and more assembly is gonna actually tell us whether or not I'm right or wrong. We've had a lot of fun today, guys, and these last couple days for me have been like, it's been a rough life as a dad. And you know what? That's part of life. The experiences that we go through every single day shape the person we are tomorrow. And as long as we take all those experiences in and learn from them and not dwell on them, get out of our own way on, here, I'm guilty 100% of overthinking every aspect of anything I do. That's my analytical mind. It's the Asian in me. It could be anything you want to blame it on. But it's something I actively try to stop doing because there's a point, and it's one of the reasons why this car is not done yet, is because I overthink things a lot and I don't just do it. Sometimes you just got to do things and figure it out along the way. But guys, that's where I'm going to end this one. Thanks for watching. If the AI figured out a way to get you here, consider subscribing. All we do every day on my channel is figure out ways to save thousands of dollars working on our pieces of shit. Whether it's fixing a high pressure fuel pump and figuring out why they fail, rebuilding a 3.2 liter, or working on this race car that's taken me a year and a half now to get done. Guys, all we do is have fun and make every day an adventure. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm Audi. Peace.